This is the property 53 Croydon Road, Nottingham. This is the front view of the house. Walking across the street to the front door. We enter the front door into the entrance hall, where we have the controls for the intruder alarm, and the mini circuit breakers box are easily accessible by the door. We move to the right into the dining room. As we can see, there is a table with 4 chairs. The electric meter is in the one corner. That is the window out to the, looking out on the pavement to the front. We have a gas meter cupboard in the corner. And then moving around just to show the view of the room. We move out of the dining room into the hallway. And then into the living room. It's quite a spacious living room, where at the moment we have a sofa, coffee table. There is a gas fire in this particular room, which can be used if required, but every room does have gas-fired, radiated gas-fired central heating from a modern combi boiler. In moving across in the corner is a cupboard where a TV can go on top. The house is connected to Virgin broadband and internet, which will be the responsibility of the tenant to arrange. The connection is here, but they need to take over the account. There is a window to the rear, just a small yard, and there's a washing line outside to dry clothes. In the corner we have the fire door, which is Unipol regulations, fire door to the kitchen. On the ceiling, as you can see, we have a mains connected smoke alarm, which again is also a Unipol directive. We walk into the kitchen, which is a galley type kitchen. You see the radiator on the wall. There's the rear door to the rear of the property, where the bins are kept and put out once a week. We have in the corner here, we have fridge, freezer, stand up alone. And then looking down the kitchen, we have electric oven and hob and a washing machine. There is also a microwave, which is in one of the cupboards. And then we have the sink at the back. Again, you can see there's a blind and a window out to the rear. Just for safety, they've never been required. The 2 ground floor windows in the kitchen, one in the kitchen and one in the living room, do have security shutters. They can be opened if required. On the wall we have plenty of cupboards, as you can see, and there is another cupboard at the top here, small cupboard. Okay, there's an extractor on the wall here for the kitchen extractor, which is operated by the switch. Moving out of the kitchen, back into the living room. In the corner of the living room, we can see the stairs to go upstairs to the first floor. We go up the stairs, onto the landing, first floor landing. When we turn left to the main bedroom, which has a double bed, in the corner a study centre, in the other corner a wardrobe, and we have the modern combi boiler in the corner. In the other corner we have a walk-in wardrobe, radiator on that wall, and then another double wardrobe at the foot of the bed. There is a window here to the front, outlook onto the street. Walking back to the landing, we have into the first floor corridor. To the right, we have the smaller bedroom, radiator on the wall, again with a study centre in the corner of the room, in the slight alcove, and with a window at the rear giving plenty of light. There is a single bed on that wall. Okay, and then as we pan round past the doorway, and then on the other wall we have a double wardrobe, and in the other recess we have a chest of drawers. That's the smaller bedroom. Going back out of the bedroom door, back onto the landing corridor, we then walk down to the first floor bathroom, and as you can see, it's an airy bathroom. It's got a nice big window at the rear. We don't bother with blinds on this window because it's not overlooked by anyone, so it lets in good light all the time. There is a corner wash basin with a cupboard above and a white WC in the other corner. As we walk in and then swing around, you can see the bath. The bath is on the other side, and it has electric shower and a nice curtain to match. And then there's the radiator on that wall with a towel roll next to it. Just starting to move out, you can see behind the shower there we've got storage cupboards. Lots of storage room in these cupboards. Okay, and then we've got another one further down. Okay, so there's plenty of room. And then moving back out onto the landing, this concludes the tour for 53 Croydon Road, Nottingham.